If you're waiting for the dollar to collapse, then you definitely need to look at the economic calendar and see the news that will be this week, and when it comes out, the dollar may drop significantly. For example, last week on Friday, the non-farm news came out and the dollar rose in 1 minute, 500 points. This is $500 if you trade one standard lot. But in order to trade one lot, $100 is enough, and a broker with leverage can provide you with this opportunity. By the way, I am a partner of the company AMarkets. This is a reliable broker that I have been working with for many years. If you are just starting to study the financial market and some terms are still difficult for you, then you can take my basic trading course for beginners from scratch absolutely for free. Open an account using the link in the broker's description and I will provide you with such a course. My name is Roman Kornev. You are on the channel about professional trading on the stock exchange. And now we will talk about how to make money this week. I'll show you my pivot points right on the chart, discuss the news on which you can also make money, and also show you where it's better to trade my trading robot on which currency pairs. So here we go. There will be a lot of economic news this week, but I'm selecting the most important ones for you to save your time. So there will be news on Wednesday, January 15th. The consumer price index for the United States, and the previous value was 0.3% and minus 0.1% is forecast. This means that if the data is worse than predicted, it is highly likely to lead, well, if not to the collapse of the dollar, then to a strong decline at the time of the news release. And you can make money from it. Let's look at the charts where the dollar is trading right now and how we can make money from it this week. So let's look at the dollar Japanese yen currency pair. If we want to trade on the decline of the dollar, then it is desirable that the dollar be in the first place in the currency pair. Then it will be more convenient to perceive the graph. So the dollar Japanese yen currency pair is currently in such a sideways trend. If it continues to move further, it will face a resistance line. The resistance line is at 158.864. As soon as the price approaches this line, there is a high probability that it will break away from this line because this is a resistance line. Very often the price starts from such lines. So here you can place a sell order and earn a decrease. Well, if the price moves down, then there will be a support line waiting for it at the bottom. By and large, we don't care where the price moves. It is important to pay attention to it in those moments when it can turn around. If you're afraid to miss such a moment, then set alerts. These are alerts, which are built into the MetaTrader terminal and which allow audio signals to remind you that an important transaction is about to take place. And also, in order not to miss my signals on the turning points, you can subscribe to the VIP channel, as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel. Here, every Sunday, I post my pivot points, which I trade myself. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel. There, 30 minutes before the release of important news, I publish such information. So, the price will approach the support line. From here, it will be possible to place a buy order and make money on growth. Now, let's look at the dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair. She also has a resistance line, that is, the price is moving up now. And please note that the price has already approached this resistance line twice and fought off it. This means that this is a very good turning point. And as soon as the price reaches this line, it will be possible to sell from here and earn a reduction. If you're just starting to study the financial market, then this is a very good time to try your hand at trading. First of all, if you find some terms difficult or incomprehensible, then be sure to come to my beginner trading course. It's free. If you are opening an account with an AMarkets broker, write to me on Telegram using the link in the description of this video, and I'll tell you how to get the course for free. Well, right now you can try your hand at it this week and sell from the dollar resistance line against the Canadian dollar. And there is a high probability that you will earn. The resistance line is at 1.44652. From here, we sell and earn a reduction. But also, let's look at the dollar Swiss franc pair. It is also currently in an uptrend. And here too, it can be seen that it will soon approach the resistance line. The resistance line is at the level. As soon as the price approaches this resistance line, it will be possible to sell from it and earn a decrease. Also note that I said that this week there will be news on inflation in the United States. And if the price turns out to be near the resistance line at the time of the news release, this will doubly strengthen the sell signal. That is, ideally, wait for the news and the price should be near the resistance line. Then, with a very high probability, we will make money on the fact that the dollar will decline. It may not collapse, but it will definitely decrease by several dozen points. And even if it drops by 100 points, we can earn $100 from each traded lot. But if you trade a lot of volume, you can earn more in just a few minutes, as it happened at the last non-farm. Last Friday, the dollar's price increased by 500 points in 30 seconds. And we earned $500 from each traded lot in just 30 seconds. That's why I really like trading on the news. I also recommend it to you. In order not to miss such news, subscribe to my Telegram channel. There. 30 minutes before the release of important news, I warn everyone and we earn money together. But also let's see the gold. As I said in my previous issues, gold is growing. It will continue to grow if it goes further. There is also a resistance line here. There will be a resistance line in the area of quotations of $27.30 per troy ounce. And as soon as the price approaches this line, from here it will be possible to sell or place a pending sell order and earn a decrease. Therefore, we are waiting for the price to reach these levels and make money on them. Well, these are the signals for my trading strategy. If you're just starting to study the financial market, then be sure to write to me using the link in the description. I will provide you with my free trading course for beginners from scratch. Also, subscribe to my Telegram channel. I wish you all a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. All bye.